Alright everyone, so the couple coats of paint have dried, and so we're just going to take all the tape off and see where we're at. So hopefully it won't just peel all the paint right off the car. See how this looks. Well, hope it doesn't like peel the paint. Really kind of painted over the tape. We'll see. Hopefully I can take it off of there. Grand tape reveal. This is yeah, let's see. They're getting close, I think, to getting the tape off. Let's see here. Ah, come on, man. Oh no. Did not really think about that. But let's see. Ah. Oh, come on now. I don't think I was really thinking about here when you're painting, and because we built this up, but didn't have. So I'm thinking probably don't tape off a car when you paint it. Otherwise, how can you sand it even with the rest of the paint, maybe? Right, this is the edge of the paint here. Still got some tape under here. Probably gonna be difficult to get off of there. Hi. Anyway, so I'm thinking you probably don't want to tape your paint job like that. Wasn't really thinking about that because obviously the paint has a layer, or the tape has a layer, and if you're sanding around it, you're not going to get lower. So I have this kind of like edge here around this whole area where the tape was. So, and then you can see you got the surface here is a little different. Obviously, it looks almost like if you like rhino lined a car, you know, and except it was like pretty like smoothed out. That's what it kind of feels like and looks like, which isn't crazy bad, but when it's not matched with the rest of the car, it looks kind of odd. It looks like a weird like patch on the car. But I don't think it's gonna rust, and that was my main objective. And you know, if I tried to match the paint, it probably wouldn't be very noticeable at all. But like I said, I'm not super worried about that. I just don't want it to rust really. So, and maybe I could like write like a message or something on here, like "Hi, have a nice day." I don't know. Anyway, I don't know if I'm really gonna do any more than this. I think this is good enough. I'm thinking it's probably not gonna rust, and it doesn't look like crazy bad. It just looks like someone, you know, tried to do something and didn't really know what he was doing that well. But so takeaway from this, you probably don't want to tape it off where you're doing where you're doing the paint job and stuff. And then yeah, I was also told by several people that would know, people who've done body work, that if you have a dent as deep as we did, that Bondo is going to crack over in about a year. It's not meant to fill stuff that deep, so that's something to consider as well. So be mindful of that. I'm probably going to have to redo this, or at least the Bondo, if it cracks in like a year anyway, according to some people that had done a lot of Bondo work. So that's something to consider as well. I should have pulled those dents. I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, simply because I didn't know. But if I let you guys know, then you will know if you got a deeper hole, deeper dent, pull the dent before you do the Bondo work. And then obviously when you probably don't want to tape it off unless you want edges like this. I'm not sure how you protect your car when you're doing that though. I'm trying to think. I wonder how easy this paint would be to peel off right now. I'm still working at like under tape and stuff. But at any rate, there it is. At least I don't think it's gonna rust. So that was our main objective. And you know, if you look along the side here, maybe there's a couple like little inconsistencies, but it's not too bad. Not too bad for like a first try ever. So thanks for watching our little adventure through patching the car. I hope that helped everyone out there. Maybe give you some tips on what not to do and what to do. Maybe we can learn from my mistakes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day out there, everyone. Okay, bye.